Mixies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making this very beautiful cardboard showpiece, and it's a very beautiful and very easy showpiece to make at home. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so right now I have this white card paper, and what I'll do is that I'll use it from the middle and fold it. Then I'll take my pencil and fold it from the sides as well. Then I'll just fold it, and then I'll mark this and put a stapler pin over here. Then I'll just use it and put a shape of a heart and then stick it with my hot glue gun. Then I'll take this white cardboard again and I'll just give it a shape. Once I'm done cutting these out, I get two of them. Now what I'll do is that I'll make a hole over here in the middle of the heart. Then over here I've taken this chain as well. Now what I'll do is that I'll use my hot glue gun and I'll stick the hearts over here. This way, one in the front and then the other one on the back side. Once that is done, I'll take another piece of white card paper and just put it outwards. Then when I'm done with that, I'll take these brown cardboards, and these are very thick cardboards, so I'll just take 4 of them on top of each other so that I get a thick piece of cardboard. Then I'll just carve a little line over here and then put the white card paper on top of it. Now as you can see, I've already used white cardboard over here, card paper, but just to give a more shiny effect, I'll paint it with white acrylic paint as well. Then these are some silver glitter foam sheet stripes which I'll be sticking on the corners. So once my heart is ready, now what I'll do is that I'll stick the same foam sheet on the bottom side as well. Then this is a chain, as you can see. Now what I'll do is that I'll just put a little hot glue gun, put this chain over here, it's a wire. Now what I'll do is that I'll stick another piece of heart just on top of each other, and then I'll just use this red gelatin paper to cover this heart. Then I'll put another piece of heart, red heart paper on the other side. Now what I'll do is that I have made this hole. I'll just stick this chain on top of the hole. Once that is done, I'll use my glitter foam sheet in the red color and I'll just cut a stripe just to get all the letters equally. What I'll do is that I'll take the stripe, then cut out the shapes, and then just slightly and normally cut out the letters as well. So first will be L, then the other one would be O. Of course, for that I'll just fold it from the middle and just make the O. You can also use stencils if you have, or you can use those ready-made stickers, but over here I'm showing you how you can do it at your home in a very easy way. Then you just have to cut V, folding it from the half, and then the last one is E, which is very easy. So once you get all the letters ready, as you can see, I'll just start sticking it over here. You can of course use any kind of words to decorate this part. You can use any kind of words for your loved ones or anything, and just stick the heart on top of it. So guys, this is the final video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.